Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the video. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, it's because I just got home from work and I've got COVID hair. By COVID hair I mean lockdown hair. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my new Newrocks that I got because, you know, work gives me money. Here they are. I have not unboxed them yet. But a little note to start off with before I get into this. My computer is currently sort of working, and as you can see, I have begun the Rob Halford video. I am going to give you guys a little preview. This is the intro. But yeah, you get the point. So the Rob Halford video is coming. As you can see, I've got quite a lot done, but my computer decides not to work most days, like at all. It just will boot loop for hours at a time. So this is the best we're going to get for now. So until such a time as that does get uploaded, here is me with Newrocks. Let's go, because that's going to take a while, and these have just come, and you guys know I've got a Newrock collection, which I love, and I love doing videos about it. So let's get into it. And there we go, that's the outer packaging removed. Let's unbox this. We've got my Newrocks right there. Just gotta pop her open and... oh yeah! Look at that! So we've got some more low-key ones than usual, so some that are more like ordinary boot-like. I shall be wearing these to work. Look at that! Wow! Look at the heel. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? There we are. Oh, let's pop that one down there. Let's check the other one. Oh, look at that. Ah, I've just noticed tucked away at the back here, another keyring. So this is keyring number 3 of my 5 pairs of boots. 3 of them have been bought brand new. So here they are, my new babies. They are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The soles are much thicker than I expected them to be, as with my first ever pair of Newrocks as well. I'd say these are a tad thicker than what you'd find on Timberlands, but definitely thinner than Reactors. I imagine these are probably the closest to a normal boot you can get with Newrock, but they are gorgeous. I am going to try them on because it's as the old adage goes, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Here's a more detailed under the light look of the boots. We'll pop the other one next to it. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Yeah. Oh, brilliant. Okay, I've now tried these on and they fit perfectly. I'm so pleased with them. There you have it. That was the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. It's been a very short one. Rob Halford video is coming soon. It'll be done as soon as it's done, probably in the next week or two. Fingers crossed my computer continues to work properly for that long, which I hope will happen. Those are my new Newrocks, and that brings my collection total to... watch the cogs turn in my head. 5 pairs of Newrock boots. So chuffed. They came out so much bigger than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were going to be more like Timberlands. Turns out the heel is the same size as my Reactors, and the only thing that's different is the toe thickness. Yeah, these are basically platforms that refuse to admit it. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!